Hey, what's up? This is Suf here, and today I want to show you how to use my new penetration testing tool called Fuzzler. So, Fuzzler is a Linux penetration testing tool that uses artificial intelligence and specifically natural language processing to generate tailored and really robust password lists that you can use for any password cracking you need to do. Steps. First step is Fuzzler uses cool to crawl the given web page, and what that's going to do is it's going to find all of the terms and concepts that that specific organization or business uses, which is going to map to potential passwords that their users and services use. Second, Fuzzler uses natural language processing algorithms to find synonyms of the words that were collected in step one, and it adds them to the list. And finally, Fuzzler will use Hashcat to fuzz the word list by transforming the words according to certain rules. And those rules are making the word lowercase, uppercase, capitalized, all capitalized except the first letter, reversing the word, prepending and appending 0 to 99 to the word, and translating it to lead speak. So all of these steps allow Fuzzler to take what could be just a handful of words that were from a web page and make them into a huge, robust, tailored password list that's going to be different for every single web page. And it's going to better represent the passwords used by the employees and services of the organization. So let's go ahead and get started. The usage for Fuzzler is pretty simple. First, we're going to clone or copy the repository onto our local machine. So we're going to do that with git clone. And basically, it's just going to download the source code, which is the Python script, onto our machine. And second, we're going to just execute the Python script using Python 3 fuzzler.py. And there's going to be two flags that we can use. And those are the tat-t, which is the target IP, and tat-p, which is optional, and it is the port. The default port is 80, so if the port is 80, you don't have to put tat-p. However, if the port is different, which you'll find in your enumeration, then you can use the tat-p with the port. So let's go ahead and get started. I have here a try-hack-me room called rootme. Pretty simple. They have a web page. I'm going to grab that IP address, and let's go on over to the terminal. So first thing, we're going to clone into the repository. And we're going to do that with git clone, and then put in the web address here at the end, fuzzler.git. And there we go, pretty quick, it downloaded the files. I'm going to go change directory into Fuzzler. And as you can see, we have all three files here, the license, the README document, and the Python script itself. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's use Python 3 fuzzler.py, tat-t, paste in that IP address, and tat-p is still 80. It's optional, but I'm just going to put it in there for fun, and let's see what happens. So first, Fuzzler is going to download the Natural Language Toolkit, which is a Python library that allows you to utilize natural language processing algorithms and tools. Then it's going to check for a couple different tools to see if they're on the local machine, such as cool and hashcat. If they don't exist on the machine, Fuzzler will download them. Next, Fuzzler crawls the web page, and you can see here that it found 6 words. The default letter minimum for cool is 3 letters, so it'll find any words that are 3 letters and above. You can change that in the source code if you'd like. Next, it's going to generate new words with natural language processing. We started out with 6 words. Fuzzler found synonyms for those 6 words and came up with 97 words total. And now, finally, Fuzzler is fuzzing the word list using Hashcat. As is noted, this may take up to a few minutes. Usually it just takes 30 seconds to 1 minute. So we'll let Fuzzler do its thing. And there we go. As you can see, Fuzzler generated 163,240 passwords, and this password list is saved to fuzzes.txt. So we see it here in the directory. Let's go ahead and open it up, see what we got. And as you can see, we have a lot of new passwords according to the Hashcat rules. And most of these are not going to be found on the web page. They're going to be the synonyms that are then fuzzed with Hashcat. And so that's it. With Fuzzler, you can generate tailored password lists that you can now use in any of your password cracking operations. And that concludes this video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to comment in the video below, or you can go to the discussions in the GitHub. I hope you enjoy the tool. Tell me how you would improve it, and I hope to see you all soon. Thanks for watching.